and welcome back to Chick's Tube, Chick's Kitchen. Yeah, if you're not a member here, please subscribe, share the videos, like, comment, yeah, share them to your friends, you know. So welcome back to another episode, and today it will be a little bit different. First of all, you can see me. And next, we are not going to be cooking today. We are going to do an unboxing. Yeah, so I bought this product like 2 weeks ago. Actually, my hubby bought it for me. We're just going for shopping and he was like, si unasemanga sijui ati keki ya rice juu ya venye una mix, chagua mixer. And behold, nikachagua mixer. So first, sikufungua immediately because I wanted to find somewhere to put it in the kitchen. My kitchen is not that big, so lazima nitafute to base. So today I finally found a place for it and I want to unbox it. The only time it was unboxed was at the supermarket when they were testing it, so I haven't unboxed it again yet. So let's do this. My son uses this box to climb so that he can get to the microwave. So wherever you put it, he's going to push it until it's near to the microwave. Alafu anapanda, anafungua microwave, then pulls anything that's inside the microwave. So you can just imagine. Okay, the Rampton stand mixer. That's it. So 5-speed plus turbo, plastic body with a stainless steel decoration, with base and stainless steel bowl. Capacity is 4.3 liters, with 2 stainless steel beaters with eggs beating function, eject button with safety device, blocked while applicant is operating, turbo function with safety device, only works when the application is operating, fitted with 3-pin square plug, 230 to 300 watts. So yeah, let's do this. Let's continue. Let's see that cabinet there. It's from Imora. So that's how it looks like. So I think I will do this. Let's return that. At the bottom of each. The base. Stainless steel. I prefer this to the plastic one because I have a little boy here, so you know, instruction manual and here certificate of warranty, and here the instruction manual. So I have some instructions. You can see instructions. Yeah, so that's neutral. So we have this and this, and for this. There. First time for everything, huh? Yeah, and then mixer. Thank you, baby. A new baby in the kitchen. Lazima to bake soon. If we have this now, we have to prove that. So if you want to remove this, you just unhook it.